Selamat pagi, saya Stephanie Ha dari Monash Business School. At JIC, students who actually do the Diploma of Business are actually doing the first year of the university degree. So when they do transfer over to the university, they will get into second and third year where they'll start their major area of study. So I guess it's a wonderful preparation for students to study in an environment that they're familiar with and have the network of friends. So when they go over to Australia, they don't feel homesick and they've got people that they are comfortable with, which will help them succeed at university.
Hi everyone, my name is Justin Burnell. I represent the Faculty of Medicine, Nursing, Health Sciences at Monash University in Australia. Yeah, so some of the differences, I suppose, to what you will learn in the JIC when you become a bachelor student at Monash Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences, something that's quite unique in courses like biomedical science, nutrition science, which is our food science course as well, and psychology. You'll have the opportunity to do what's called work integrated learning, which is an internship that we offer, and usually that's in your final year. And the purpose of the internship is to try and make you more employable, give you some industry experience, and give you some ideas about the kind of jobs that you want to go into.
Hi, I'm Joel Robinson from the Faculty of Arts at Monash University. The interesting things that we have on offer at the Faculty of Arts at Monash University include study tours, international study tours, internships, and a range of different opportunities that are provided for students, especially for students that are transferring from JIC.
Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. I'm from the Faculty of Education, Monash University in Australia. Some of the interesting things that you might have the opportunity to do in our Bachelor of Education is that we offer international teaching placements. So students can choose to complete a 3-week international school teaching internship unit in one of the countries such as Italy, China, and Switzerland. And you gain that practical experience overseas while studying with Monash University.
Hi, my name is Aroma Retinol and I'm from the Faculty of Engineering at Monash University, Clayton. 3 great things that JIC students can do when they join Monash Engineering is join student teams, where you can build motor cars through Monash Motorsports, rockets through high-powered rocketry, or drones. You can also have internships on and off campus with a lot of our sponsored partners, and you also get an opportunity to join student societies.
Hello, my name is Faith Toy and I'm from the Faculty of Information Technology at Monash University. There are many interesting things a student can do at Monash University Faculty of Information Technology. They can join student teams and learn more about what they learn and how you can make it into practical uses. There are many networking events as well. The industry-based learning allows students to work in big companies like Google and Amazon Prime Air, which exposes them to international working experience.
Hi everybody, I'm Helen O'Keefe from the Faculty of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences at Monash University. So some of the interesting things that you will do while you're studying with us in Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences is you will work a lot in the lab if you're a pharmaceutical science student. You'll get opportunities to go on placements in any course that you do with us.
Thank you for listening, and come and start with JIC.
Thank you, and start with JIC.
Thanks everybody, and start with JIC.
Thank you, 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 and start with JIC.